Start with, this is a beef, pork tenderloin. Now, we're going to take this tenderloin. When you first work with the tenderloin, you'll see that there's maybe a lot of silver skin and some fat, and you want to put that in a nice piece of.
That's all pork?
This is pure pork tenderloin.
Okay.
This is very soft meat, very easy meat to work with. So what we want to do with this now is we're going to cut it maybe about an inch, not all the way through. Okay? Now we open this. Now remember what I said, that I took off all kinds of fat that may be there, which is very, very little.
Okay.
Now we're going to take a wonderful cheese called Boston, which you get in Publix. They have it there very nicely. They have different flavors.
I tell you, Publix does have everything. Okay?
Everything.
That's some store. I tell you, shopping in Publix store is a pleasure.
It is. Now this particular cheese is with raisins and figs and nuts. Now they also
That was in that box?
Yes.
Oh,
You
okay.
just take some of this like this.
What kind of cheese is that?
Boston. Boursin. It's a
Never heard
French
of it.
cheese.
What's
Well,
it
you
consist
should-
of? Like,
It's a
like a...
it's a spreadable
blue
cheese. It's a spreadable cheese. I think it may be a goat cheese. I'm not sure, but I know that this has figs and nuts and everything in this now. And we do this nicely. Ron, would you please get me the? We have some prosciutto in the refrigerator.
Oh, prosciutto?
Yes.
Get
So,
prosciutto that's wrapped up around that? Oh, why?
Now we take this.
Oh, am
We
I in
kinda
your way?
squeeze this a little.
Look at that.
Now this was opened up already.
prosciutto.
I laid this out. Now this is about 5 or 6 slices of prosciutto, maybe about 3 ounces. And you overlap them onto each other.
Okay.
Okay. With that, we take this.
Now, do they do a beef Wellington also?
Yes, beef Wellington, but we didn't feel like spending $100 today for beef
Okay.
Wellington.
Right.
So now we're going to just fold this over. Make sure your hands are impeccably clean.
Yeah.
And this is what we do with this. Okay?
Yeah, so far looks good.
Ah, it's going to be very delicious. And you leave this like this. We go over to the stove now. And take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a good olive oil. 1, 2.
You don't even measure it.
I don't have to, Joe. And then we'll put this on like this. Let it get warm. We bring our piece of meat over. And we're going to sear it. Now just let this get a little warmer. And it's going to smell a wonderful, wonderful flavor. Rosie, would you watch this while I start on the other one? Now once this is seared, it must cool, because if it doesn't cool, we're going to wrap this in a puff pastry, and the pastry will melt. So I already seared one, so we can work on that.
Okay.
This is already seared, and it was cool.
You got the prosciutto down there already.
Yes, already seared. Okay. All right. All right. Like this. Now we'll get our puff pastry. Before we go much further, can Rosie say hello to Danielle and
Well,
Debbie?
Devin and Danielle, Merry Christmas.
Well, they're up north, and they're going to miss us this year.
Oh, I love
All right, Nikki, when should I put this in?
Just let it get a little warm. Okay, now, here's the puff pastry. Again, we bought that at Publix. They have it.
Publix has got everything, I tell you. Even the puff pastry. Now, can you use that puff pastry for other things?
Oh, yeah, the pastry. Wonderful, wonderful thing, but very,
And
very
everybody shows you
fatty.
out of the box what it can do.
Yep, sure. Excuse me 1 minute. Put this away because puff pastry melts very quickly and it becomes impossible to work with. Now this is 1 sheet of puff pastry. As you see, it's folded in 3 like an envelope. Okay, so we don't need all this. We're going to take this and cut it right down this way. Go to the refrigerator.
We'll put this like that.
Right. Now I'm going to take this and we're just going to roll it out a bit. Just not much. Just a bit.
Let me ask you something.
Yes.
Do you do other things besides cook? And
Well, I tell you, I'm a busy lady. I drive to the airport. I do that. I take people to the airport.
you drive people to the airport?
Yes, and I take care of appointments here with
Oh,
snowbirds.
my God, I didn't know that.
And when that happens with the snowbirds,
Do you know how many people drive people to the airport?
well,
What's the difference that you do?
Special.
How do you do it?
Charlie, I tell you, I just treat him right. I just do what I'm supposed to do. You know what I mean?